How to improve your creative thinking. Tony Bazan is a leading expert on the brain and learning and inventor of the revolutionary mind mapping technique. Through his work in the media, Tony aims to educate the world in how to use the brain more effectively. Tony believes that everyone has the potential to be creative, and in this film, he talks about how you can find and develop your inner creativity. Step 1. Everyone is creative.
First, I want to dispel the notion that anyone, anywhere, could be not creative. We have a million brain cells, and they all integrate. Now, anybody with a piece of equipment like that who says, I'm not creative, is obviously making a mistake. What has happened is that they haven't been taught how to use that phenomenal piece of equipment.
Step 2. The left and right brain.
As we know, the left deals with words and numbers and lists and logic and analysis, and the right brain deals with rhythm and colour and shape and form and imagination and daydreaming. It has been thought that creativity was right-brained, and because we've misanalyzed that, creativity has therefore been majorly damaged when it needs to use both sides and get the order and the number and the image and the colour and the rhythm and the imagination and the daydreaming all working together. That is creativity.
Step 3. Speed of thought.
Speed of thinking. It's called fluency. How fast, how rapidly can you generate ideas? And that you can develop by just playing at it. You can practice thinking faster. You can practice, getting those little puzzles and working them out faster. And faster speed and that kind of productivity is one of the hallmarks of creative genius.
Step 4. Originality of thought.
If someone says, what could you use a coat hanger for? And you answer, for hanging a coat. That would not get you high points in creativity. If you said you could use it to fuel a rocket ship to the moon by taking the constituent molecules of that particular coat hanger and converting it into some kind of fuel, that's way out. That's what is known as thinking out of the box.
Step 5. Flexibility of thought.
Most people tend to focus on one way. This is the way I think. This is the way I see that. When it should be, how many ways can I see this from? How many perspectives can I look at it from? And the great creative thinkers play with looking at different perspectives.
Step 6. Imagination and association.
All great creative thinkers are using their imagination. What they are doing in addition to that is they're making links between things, so they are associating. So it's imagination and association, the two big key words for creativity. And what you have to do when you are being creative is to find those associations and connections between things that are going to create something new.